Welcome to Wealth Forge. People are making thousands a month in passive income with AI-built Shopify stores. I've seen the claims. I've rolled my eyes at the claims. So I decided to actually test it, with free tools, under $1 budget, and a 1-hour time limit. Let's find out if this is genius or just another internet lie. 3 rules. 1. Free AI tools only. Total setup cost under $1. 2. Laptop only. 3. Done in under an hour. First stop. A tool called Build Your Store AI. It promises to build a Shopify store, stock it with products, and handle shipping automatically. You never touch the inventory. Someone orders, the supplier ships, you pocket the difference. That's dropshipping. I picked the sports and fitness niche. Massive market, growing fast, and honestly my son lives at the gym, so I figured I knew the audience. The AI built the store, chose the banners, wrote the product descriptions, even added emojis, in minutes. I'm not going to lie, it was actually impressive. Next, I connected AutoDS. This finds trending products that are already selling, handles pricing, photos, and ships orders automatically once sales come in. First 30 days costs 99 cents. There goes my dollar budget. The products it picked? A breathing trainer that mimics high-altitude training, golf club bag clips, resistance bands, a warm running hat, all solid, all proven sellers. I checked the numbers. The golf clips cost me $6.84 wholesale. Sell them for $13.68. That's a 100% markup and $6.84 profit per sale. Not life-changing on one sale. But at scale? That's where it gets interesting. The store itself looked clean, professional, had proper product photos, PayPal integration, shipping policies, things that actually build customer trust. Here's where most people go wrong. They build the store and wait. Nobody's coming. You need eyes on it. My strategy? Micro-influencers. Not the million-follower celebrities charging 10 grand a post. I'm talking 10,000 to 150,000 followers. Tight, engaged audiences with a 60% higher engagement rate and 20% better conversion than big influencers. And they're affordable. I reached out to 2 guys called the Grace Brothers. Funny, high-energy creators with 145,000 Instagram followers. I paid them $50 to post one story promoting the breathing trainer. The video? Absolutely unhinged. One of them walks into a gym wearing a respirator mask. His mate goes, "What are you doing?" He explains it's a breathing trainer, improves your cardio, buy it via the link. 15 seconds. Ridiculous. Perfect. 24 hours later, sales came in. 10 genuine orders. Revenue, $178.50. Product and shipping costs, $39.50. Influencer fee, $50. Shopify fee after trial, $1. Total costs, $90.50. Profit, $88. In one day, with a $1 setup budget and 1 Instagram story. Now, $88 isn't retiring to a beach money, but think about what just happened. AI built the store. AI found the products. AI wrote the copy. The supplier handled shipping. My job was picking a niche and sending one message to an influencer. Now imagine promoting 10 products, 20 products, running this every week. That's when the thousands a month claims start making sense. Is it easy? Not exactly. Is it doable? Absolutely. The tools are there. The products are there. The only thing missing is someone willing to actually start. So, are you going to keep watching other people do this? Or are you going to build your own store? Subscribe if you like this video.